Thank you, baby. Perfecto.
Hi. Nice. It's like not like super crazy hot out either.
I know.
I'm ready to have some wine, to be honest.
Whose tent is this?
Lindsay's.
Perfect. All right, Lindsay, what are you wearing?
I'm wearing Princess Polly.
Love it.
It's a midi dress.
Details.
We have got Haverhill. It's a Massachusetts brand. We have Jared,
Ooh.
Jared, and Aura Ring.
Love it.
Yes.
Cassidy.
I'm wearing a Target dress.
Love it.
I've
We
got
love Target.
a Julie Vos ring.
Wow.
Target rings, Julie Vos bracelet.
Wow.
And
Julie
then
Vos.
Lily Pulitzer earrings.
Lily Pulitzer. Gorgeous.
Should I just redo mine too?
Sure.
Okay, well I'm also wearing the Princess Polly mini version
Mini
of
version of
Lindsay's
Lindsay's.
dress.
Gorgeous.
The earrings are also Princess Polly, and then necklace is from Amazon.
See those nails.
And then nails are done by Happy Nails. Hit up Annie at Happy Nails. She is the vibe.
Gorgeous.
She takes her
Look
time,
amazing.
we put it that way. She
We
takes her
love
sweet
that.
time and is a perfectionist.
Love it.
And then water is pink finger.
Very cute.
You gotta stay hydrated.
Oh, I'm gonna hand you the camera.
Okay.
Alright, I guess you could look through. Yeah.
Wait, how do I hit play?
It's already on, I think.
Oh, is it?
It says rec. Like.
Oh yeah, shoot, it is. So what are we wearing today, Miss Melanie?
This gorgeous little maxi.
Like, look at this number. I'm obsessed. We have the white vibes going on.
From, Adelina.
Ooh,
It's like an
it's
Instagram
so
brand.
pretty.
Thank
I love
you.
it. Like when it's
56 to play. Teams come back to center, and we'll switch directions.
Hello. Hey. Okay, so what card?